Namaskara. How are you doing today? All of us have aspirations, goals we wish to achieve, dreams we want to turn into reality, but no one succeeds alone. To truly fulfill our aspirations, we need the engagement and support of others. I'm sure you agree to this. The more effectively and efficiently we can inspire, involve, and align people to our goals, the greater are our chances of success. The path we take to realize our dreams, the choices we make, the strategies we follow, and the way we engage with those around us is what we call do-how, which is the only differentiator between success and failure. This is where the do-how, our experiential Socratic learning methodology, comes in with a structured 16-step do-how dialogue designed to help us navigate challenges, work seamlessly with others, and drive meaningful results and outcomes. Let's explore together. Step 1. Do-how expectations. What do I aspire to achieve? What outcomes do I expect from a structured performance improvement platform like the do-how? Clarity in expectations fuels motivation and direction. Step 2. Shared current reality. Where do I stand today? How do I feel about my current reality? Recognizing my present state with honesty helps us build strong foundation for change. Step 3. Stakeholder understanding. Who are the key people involved? What are their needs and expectations? Aligning my goals with theirs creates meaningful collaboration. Step 4. Approaches and strategies. What is the best way to meet my stakeholders' expectations? Which strategies will help me achieve success? The right approach leads to effective and efficient execution. Step 5. Collaborators and their roles. Who will help me implement my strategy? What roles and responsibilities must clearly be defined? Clarity in roles ensures seamless teamwork. Step 6. Standards, processes, and practices. Are there documented standards and practices in place? How do I ensure everyone understands and follows them? Consistency leads to reliability. Step 7. KRAs, metrics, and KPIs. What key areas must I focus on? How will I measure progress? Clear metrics and KPIs help track real progress effectively. Step 8. Realistic stretch goals. How do I set challenging yet achievable goals? Are my goals fostering sustainable progress? Smart goal setting drives long-term success. Step 9. Monitoring and reporting. How will I track progress? How do I have real-time access to my performance data? Transparency in monitoring builds accountability. Step 10. Reviewing and steering. How often should I review my progress? What kind of reviews help with timely course corrections? Regular reviews keep me on track. Step 11. Actual training, classroom and on the job. What training do I need? How can I measure continuous learning? Training strengthens my ability to execute effectively. Step 12. Actual practice with consistency. Am I applying what I have learned? How do I ensure consistency in execution? Practice makes excellence a habit. Step 13. Actual one-on-one and group dialogue. How often do I hold myself and the team accountable? Do I provide and receive guidance regularly? Dialogue ensures growth and alignment. Step 14. Actual rapid action task force. How do I quickly resolve challenges? Can I create empowered teams for problem solving? Rapid action teams keep momentum strong. Step 15. Actual systematic problem solving. What problem solving techniques do I use? Am I preventing them from recurring? Systematic solutions lead to sustainable success. Step 16. Actual validation of sustainable progress. How do I measure effectiveness of my approach? Am I continuously improving? Sustainable progress is about delivering consistent value. The do-how dialogue isn't just a process. It's a way of thinking that enlightens aspiring executives, startups, teams, and companies transform their aspirations into reality. We just help discover the right answers. So what step will you take today for realizing your aspirations the do-how way?